Sometimes you want a new patient to complete a patient registration form themselves. This is how you do it. Start on your home screen and hover over Patient Central in the top navigation. Then click Add New Patient. This is the page you'd normally use to type a patient's details in yourself. But look at the top of the page. There's a second option, Send Patient Registration Form by email. Use this when you only have the patient's name and email address, and you'd rather they filled in the rest themselves. Click it, and a short form opens. You only need 3 things: their first name, their last name, and the email address you want the form to go to. Now click Send Registration Form, and there's your confirmation. It's on its way. Velastria takes you straight to Sarah in your patient registry. Her record was created the moment you clicked Send, and the email has gone out with a secure link to your patient portal. There's no password for her to remember. The link signs her in. Notice the orange badge next to her name, awaiting registration. That's how you tell at a glance that this record is still waiting on the patient. So what does Sarah actually get asked for? Her own details: date of birth, address, phone number, emergency contact, and allergies. Your privacy policy, the medical history questionnaire, and your terms and conditions. Only the parts your clinic has actually set up are requested, so nobody is ever asked to sign something you haven't published. And the moment she completes the last item, whoever sent the form gets an alert inside Velastria to say so, and that badge disappears. You don't have to keep checking. So that's it. Patient Central, add new patient, then send patient registration form by email. Name, email address, send. The patient does the typing, and you get told when they're done.